Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prepful. In this video, we will be continuing with the PTE series. Now, in the last video, I told you the overview of the exam, the pattern of the exam, scoring range, and other details which were really necessary for you to know if you are thinking to appear for your PTE exam. In this video, I will be telling you what type of questions you will get with examples for each and every section included in PTE. Whether you are looking to study, work or settle abroad, this video is actually going to help you understand the format of PTE exam in the simplest way possible. It also includes all the changes that have been recently introduced in the paper. So, without any much ado, let's dive. The test is divided into three parts. The first part is going to be your speaking and writing combined, then your reading portion, and then your listening part. The first part, the speaking and writing part, is the longest and most important part. It tests your pronunciation, it tests your fluency, it tests your structure, it tests your writing capabilities, it tests your grammar and all. Now, what are the types of tasks you are going to get in this section? Let's see. The first task is going to be the read aloud. A short sentence or paragraph appears. You read it aloud after a short prep time. Example, climate change possesses significant challenges to agriculture. Next, repeat sentence. Listen to a sentence and repeat it exactly. Supposedly, if the audio says the professor will start the lecture at 10 am, and you will also have to say the professor will start the lecture at 10 am. Next, describe image. You get a graph, table, map or photo. You speak for 40 seconds using structured language. Now, for example, the image illustrates a comparison between, and then you start adding on to the points. Next, retell lecture. You will listen to a short lecture and you have to summarize it. Keep this tip important. Use note-taking for keywords, not full sentences. The next one is answer short questions. Quick one-word or short phrases answers will be there. For example, what do we call a person who writes novels? Answer will be author. The next one is going to be summarize written text. Read a passage, write one sentence summary in 10 minutes. For example, the passage is about plastic pollution. The summary will be plastic pollution is a major environmental concern due to its persistence and harmful effects. The next task is going to be your essay writing. You will get a topic and you will have to write an essay for about 200 to 300 words in 20 minutes. You have to use this structure. Introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion. Now pro tip here, this section contributes to both speaking and writing scores. Focus on your fluency, typing speed and grammar. Now this was your speaking and writing section. Remember guys, this is the most important section in your PTE exam. In the coming videos on Prepful channel, we will be explaining how to attempt speaking, writing section and other sections as well. Now, without any much ado, let's see how your reading section is structured and what kind of questions you are going to get in that task. This section tests how well you understand written English. It's short but tricky. The tasks in the question: fill in the blanks, drag and drop. A sentence or a paragraph with missing words will appear. You have to choose the correct word from the list. For example, the committee was unable to reach a. You have given me in options: decision, discussion, conclusion, reaction. Your answer would be decision. The next is going to be reorder paragraph. You will be getting jumbled sentences. You have to arrange the sentences in a logical order. The pro tip over here, identify opening sentences and use connectors like however, therefore to understand the transition among the sentences. The next is going to be your multiple choice, single answer question. You will read a passage and choose the best answer. Then you are going to have multiple choice, multiple answer questions. You have to choose all the correct options. Now pro tip over here is practice skimming, identifying tone and use logical markers. The last section of your PTE exam is going to be your listening section. Let's see what kind of questions you are going to get in this part. This section tests your ability to understand spoken English. You hear each audio only once, so you have to stay alert. The task of this section will be summarize spoken text. You will listen to a lecture and summarize it in 50 to 70 words in 10 minutes. Your pro tip is going to be write the main idea plus 2-3 supporting points. The next is going to be fill in the blanks audio based. While listening, fill missing words in a transcript. For example, the market is expected to grow by %% over the year. Answer can be any figure such as 12 or anything like that. The next is going to be your highlight correct summary. Choose the best summary after listening to a clip. The next is going to be your select missing word. You hear a beep in a sentence. Choose the correct word to complete it. For example, he was so tired he fell asleep. The last part in your listening section is going to be write from dictation. You will listen to a sentence, type it exactly. For example, the library will close at 6 p.m. today. You have to take care of the spelling, punctuations, and word order must be perfect. Pro tip over here, practice note taking, audio summarizing, and spelling daily. And that completes your entire PTE exam structure, wherein I have explained you step by step with example what kind of questions you can expect in your PTE exam. Each task might look very simple, but once you are going to give exam, you will understand that they overall make up to your score. So make sure you're practicing each and every task really well. In the coming videos, I will be explaining to you how you have to attempt each and every section, what kind of mistakes you can avoid, and what are the pro tips that you need to keep in mind while solving each section. So keep following Prep World and subscribe to our channel.